Okay, another iPhone 8 has been mailed in that's just dead and not charging. So let's open it up, see what's going on. Hooked up to the DC power supply. As soon as we initiate power, we can see it pulls way too much power. So a clear short to ground. So let's open it up, see what's going on. And straight off the bat, without even taking any shields off, I can see this capacitor here that's burnt on one side. So we can quickly diagnose it by freezing the board as we normally do, initiate some power to it, and as you can see, that one capacitor heats up straight away, indicating that this capacitor is blown and it's giving a direct short to ground. So what we'll do, we'll replace the capacitor, even though if we did just take it off, the phone would work absolutely fine, but we'll be good today and we'll just swap it out for a new one. So I'll just get a donor board and I'll just take the same capacitor from the same location. Sorry, it's a little bit out of shot. Through the microscope I can see perfect. Okay, so we're just going to add a little bit of solder to these pads. That'll help the capacitor sit nice on there. Okay, so now when we get the board, and as you can see when we initiate power, there's no power consumption, and when we plug it in on charge, we start seeing some sort of action. We get Apple logo, which is good, and it's pulling a healthy draw, which is nice, and we get a full boot. Job's a good one.